Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. Today we're going to be using the power foam. Spraying it into the throttle body here, but we want to get this sensor off so it'll run without the mass airflow sensor.
What am I? Oh, never mind.
One person's going to be on the gas. They're going to keep it at about 2,000 RPM. And the other person is going to be out front spraying in the power foam. So here we go. I'm going to start the motor. Up. All right, now I'm going to keep the RPM there, and now you're going to see the power foam go in the intake. If you're new to the channel and want to learn how to get the best performance and lifespan out of your vehicles, definitely click subscribe. Tap this little notification bell, all notifications. That'll give you a buzz when we post a new video every Sunday. Stay until the end. You're going to see the results of what this did to Ian's engine. We're going to use the entire can of power foam. Oh yeah, that's all the old carbon buildup coming out. That's a good thing. That's what we want. We want that old mineral deposits out of that motor. Oh, that's juicy. That's juicy.
We're out. Sweet.
We just reattached our intake tubes. We replugged in our mass airflow sensor. And now we're resetting the battery. Basically, when you take that battery cable off, that resets the computer, because when you take the mass airflow sensor off, it'll throw a check engine light. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then we're going to start her up. All right, this is our first startup after 15 minutes. And we're going to see how clean she is. Let's take a look.
Wow. That's a lot of smoke.
You wouldn't think that there's that much still in there.
No.
There's that much carbon still in your motor. The chemicals have now loosened up that mineral deposits, and you're seeing all those years of buildup after 130,000 miles of city driving.
Sounds better, actually.
Sounds
too.
way
Yeah,
better.
smoother. Stuff stinks.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not even.
So what that was, the reason why it was vibrating before,
Pre-ignition.
was because the pre-ignition and
It's carbon
certain
probably, yeah.
cylinders weren't the same volume.
Yeah.
So now we have almost all the same exact volume. By removing those carbon deposits from inside the combustion chamber, we got it back to the OEM displacement.
I'm like shocked.
Remember to leave a comment. That way you'll have a chance to be in Eben's giveaway. Do that every last Sunday of the month.
That's crazy.
Now we're putting in the Power Duo. This is the upper cylinder lubricant. This will get you better fuel mileage. You'll run smoother, quieter, less vibration, less friction. Keeps from ethanol separation. So this right here will allow your vehicle to run longer and stronger. Now we're gonna increase the octane by a couple of points with our octane boost. This is for motorcycles, but you can run it in cars. This is such a small tank, we're gonna put 2 bottles. And this teeny weeny bottle treats 4 to 6 gallons of gasoline. How many gallons in this thing?
About 9.
Pop in the little seal. Real easy. And now we just dump it in. And these products together made 6.4% more rear wheel horsepower on the synthetic oil protection machine. This thing should get right around 52 highway with the right filter and tires. Those tires are a big loss on fuel mileage.
Yeah.
Time for the drive. Got done with the whole process And we're with the owner. He's on the steering wheel. How long have you had this car?
Had it about a year and 2 months. About
Nice. And what fluids have you tried in it so far?
Tried the AMSOIL Signature Series, the AMSOIL Signature Series ATF. Oh, with smoke behind us.
That's good. That's a good thing. That's how we know the vehicle's getting cleansed. Yeah, we don't want to get you smog busters. And keep you out of the dungeons.
The AMSOIL brake fluid and the coolant. ATF in the power steering too uses that. So pretty much, yeah, all that.
And out of all those products, which one had the biggest difference?
You know, I would say, honestly, all of them really contributed to making it better each time. Definitely recommend, obviously, the transmission and the engine oil, because first thing always, because lifeblood of the car, you need the engine transmission, so I'd start off with that. But yeah, I would say engine oil made a big difference, and the transmission fluid made a big difference.
Power foam, what did that do today?
Well, it really smoothed out the idle, because before, especially since it's an economy car, there's a lot of like vibration, just all the trim pieces, it's just cheaper stuff. It had a lot of vibration, and the power foam, it really seemed to smooth out the idle.
Wow.
Make it a lot quieter. It wasn't really shaking as much, and it just sounds like almost like it had more power.
Wow.
Feels like it. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. The power foam, and definitely the AMSOIL Signature Series and the transmission fluid.
She's still a little bit of a smoker.
Yeah.
That's a good thing. All coming out.
Just let it idle a little bit. Just kind of flush it out a little bit.
Yeah.
That was a lot of.
All right, he's going to give it a little rev. This thing's been running for 12 minutes, and the carbon is still coming out. Thanks for checking out today's video. If you want to get the products that we use today, go right here to syntheticoilprotection.net. And if you're just visiting and you enjoyed today's video, slap that thumbs up button. That lets everybody else know it's a great video. Check out this video here. You'll get a kick out of it and getting better performance out of your vehicle. See you back next time right here on Synthetic Oil Protection.